בוקר טוב, בוקר טוב, בוקר יפה, משפחה. מה זה אנחנו הולכים ללמוד היום? הפתעה. Morning, beautiful morning family. What are we going to see today? Surprise. I have a surprise for you. I invite you to come and learn Hebrew with us. Learn Hebrew with us under Dr. Israel, who is in Israel and has been there for almost 50 years. Come learn Hebrew with us. So you can send email and we'll let you know how you can join with us. If I can do it, you can do it as well. We will start with the Aleph-Bet, alphabet, Aleph-Bet, Vet, Gimel, Dalet, He, Vav, Zayin, Chet, Tet, Yod, Kaf, Haf, Haf Sofit, Lamed, Mem, Mem Sofit, Nun, Nun Sofit, Samech, Ay, Pe, Fe, Fe Sofit, Tzadi, Tzad Sofit, Kuf, Lesh, Shin, Sin, and Tav. If I can do it, you can do it as well. Come join with us, send email, and we will let you know how you can join. Remember, if you want to know the truth, the scriptures tell us you have to travel back all the way to the very beginning. You want to know the end? You have to go to the very beginning, and this is how you are going to know the truth that will make you free. Thank you very much for watching. May God bless you. Shalom, shalom, shalom. Toda raba. Tov meyod.